Hello everybody, welcome to Troll Homestead again for the Pond 101 update video. So what we did here, just to show you, this is where the liner is underneath. We went ahead and put that in. There were two pieces to that, a 10 by 25 for each side of this pond, and then we went ahead and put the 45 mil liner on top, and now we're tucking in all the creases and we're figuring out where the box is at and where we're going to make our connection with the different boxes. And then once this bottom portion is secured in place and we take out all these creases and try to get it tucked as close as we can to the edges without having a bunch of ripples in it, then we'll go ahead and do the top of the waterfall with the 45 mil liner as well, and we'll cut back some of these sides to get rid of the excess material, and then we'll start to put things in place. So here's some of the rocks that we put back in place, and we're gonna have to do that again over there on that side, also over here by the skimmer box, and try to get some of these stones secured, and that will secure the liner as well. So that's what we got so far for you, and stay tuned for some of the finishing touches of this pond. So thank you guys for watching. It's coming towards a close here. We're starting to make some good progress. I'm loving this pond so far. I got the sand underneath the underlayment so that it would be nice and flat, as I was saying to you guys before. And then I went ahead and got the underlayment positioned, and then I put the liner down. So there's the progress of that. And then we'll start to get some rocks going after we get this portion taken care of. So stay tuned for more videos from Troll Homestead and the Pond 101.